Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into your Deputy Australia account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and type in the URL www.deputy.com/au and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site, click the login link at the top right. You'll be taken to the login area for Deputy Australia. If you've not created an account yet, click on the Start Your Free Trial button at the bottom of the page and follow through the instructions till the end to create a new account. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your username in the first text box or your email and head over to the next field and type in your password. You can also log in with your Facebook, Google, Apple or Xero account. After filling in your password and your email or username, click the login button in order to log into your Deputy Australia account. Deputy Australia is an employee management tool simplifying scheduling, timesheets, tasks and workplace communications. That was how you can easily log in to Deputy Australia account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.